everyone. So today I'm going to give you 3 options for the same exercise depending on your level. So this will work your core. So you just need a little Pilates ball. I think this is 8 or 9 inches. And you're going to come down onto your back. So you're going to begin with the right knee bent. And all you're going to do is straighten the left leg and you're going to bring it up, take the ball behind and then bring that leg down. This is option 1, just keeping the head and shoulders down, but you're still working your core because you need to use your core to lift that leg up and down, and you want it to be slow and controlled. So option 2 is to straighten the left leg and straighten the right leg. Once again, just take that ball up and down. So this is going to make your core just work a little bit more with that leg straight. Option 2, keeping the head and shoulders down. So if you suffer from neck pain, sometimes it's better to keep the head and shoulders down. And then option 3 is where it's really going to work your core. So each time the leg comes up, you come up, and then you bring the leg down and your head down. So up, crunch, and down. Up, crunch, and down. Keep passing the ball round the leg. So this is option 3. And then you can do about 8 times round one way, 8 times round the other. And you will really feel that working your core. So that's a little exercise with the Pilates ball for your core. Please let me know if there's any specific areas you'd like to work on. Maybe I can do a few more videos in certain areas to help work the areas that you want to work. Please do subscribe if you like my content.